So first, let us clear the screen. And now we have the command docker run. And I need to give it an image. So if I don't know the image, the option is I'll try to run images command and it will show all the images. So the option now is I want to run it. I'll say docker run, but hold on. I just don't want to run. I want to get into that operating system. So I have an option called interactive. You want to use it here in this terminal itself. So I should say interactive terminal. That is an option ID, and then you should give the name of the image. Also, following this, you can say what would you want to do once you get inside that. I say that once you get in, run the bash shell. You see it has started that. How do you know it has started? For that we should need uh, another docker in which I can run the docker ps command, but I'm already inside this shell of the new ubuntu. Let me check if I'm actually there. If it is a new ubuntu, yes it is. You see, if you have worked with the linux operating system, these are the files that are there, right? Like in a windows you see c drive and d drive. Here you see the root operating system. You see the root folder of the operating system. This is the root folder, and inside that we have all these. Okay. uh, Now the next thing is, let's check the version. So we have a command. Cat is a command you can use /etc lsb hyphen release. Good. It is Ubuntu operating system and it is using version 1804. How do we know that we are inside this? And can we create a file inside it? What happens if we come out of it? Does it retain that file? We need to investigate all that. Right now, let's see if I can have another terminal, another Docker quick start terminal. So to do that, I have pulled up another terminal. You can just go to your Windows Start and get this new terminal. And now here I should be able to check. Let me show you. This is my old terminal in which my Linux is running. Now I have another terminal of Docker. So if I type Docker and I check the processes, I usually check all the processes. So it says that yes, there's a container that is running. It is built on an image named Ubuntu, and it was created a couple of minutes ago. And the name is this. So it kind of gives a new name. You don't have to just depend upon the ID. You can also work on this name, a name that it generates randomly. So that's a process running. That's this Docker here. In the next video, we would like to see how can we create a file. So if I create a file here in Linux, you can actually use this touch command and give it some file name, like call it file1.txt, right? It just creates a file. Let me check whether it created or not. You see that file1.txt is here. What is there in that file? Nothing, but it just created. When did it create? ls-l command is the long listing. So it says that, okay, this file was created on so and so date. Okay. Now we should have this even when we close this container, right? We have a container running, we want to shut it down and we want to restart it. How we can retain that file when we come back next time? We will see this in the next video.